Hello and welcome everyone to ifactioner.com's online English abbreviations video tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we will learn the meaning and right usage of more than 120 abbreviations which we use for online and mobile communication. Let's start. AFAIK stands for As Far As I Know. If you want to give an opinion or if you know about something and you want to share it with others, you can write AFAIK. You are wrong. It means as far as I know, you are wrong. AFK stands for Away from Keyboard. If your status is online but you cannot type right now, then you can just say AFK, which means I am away from the keyboard. ASAP, ASAP means as soon as possible. If you want a task to be done at its earliest, you can say I want it to be done ASAP, which means I want it to be done as soon as possible. ASL or A/S/L means age, sex and location. If you are in a public chat room, then people may ask you ASL, which means they are asking you how old are you a male or female, and where do you live. ATM in online communication means at the moment. You can say ATM, I am busy, which means at the moment I am busy. A3 means anytime, anywhere, any place. If someone is challenging you, you can just simply write A3, which means I accept your challenge at any time, anywhere and any place. B/C means because. I cannot type because I am busy. You can write I cannot type, I can't type B/C, I am busy. BBL stands for Be Back Later, which means I will be back later. If you are online and chatting to your friends, or if you are using WhatsApp and you are communicating with your friends in a group, then you can write BBL if you want to go offline and do some other work. It means right now I am signing off, but I will be back later. BBS means be back soon, which means either I will be back soon, or if someone has typed BBL, you can write down be back soon. That means please come back soon. So if you want to go to have a cup of tea or coffee, you can write BBS, that I will be back soon. Or if someone has gone or is going, you can say BBS, which means please come back soon. BBQ is an abbreviation of barbecue, which usually we use in our online and offline communication. BF stands for boyfriend. He is my BF, which means he is my BF, boyfriend. BFF stands for best friends forever. If you like someone and you want them to be your best friend, or you consider them to be your best friend, you can just comment or write BFF or you are my BFF, which means you are my best friend forever, or we are BFF, which means we are best friends forever. BFN means bye for now. If you want to go offline, then you can just type BFN, which means I am signing off right now. I will talk to you later. BRB means be right back. If you are talking to someone online or you are chatting in a group, you can write BRB if you want to go and do a short work and come back. It means I need a little break and I will be right back. BRT means be right there. If you are inviting someone to a place, you can say that BRT at 5 o'clock. Be right there at 5 o'clock. It either means I will be right there at 5 o'clock or please be right there at 5 o'clock. BTW means by the way. It is another way to give your opinion. If someone has an opinion and you don't agree with it, then you can write BTW, you are wrong, which means by the way, you are wrong. B for N means bye for now. CU means see you, which means I will see you later. SYA is another version of CU, which means see you, meaning I will see you later. CUZ or COS, cause, means because. You can write BRB cause I want some tea. DND means do not disturb. Suppose you are sitting in a meeting and your friend is calling you or sending you some kind of messages, then you can just type DND, which means please do not disturb me. EOD means end of debate. If you are having a discussion with your friends on something and you want to end that discussion, you can just type EOD, which means let's end this debate. EOF stands for end of file. If you are sending a huge file in chunks to your friend or a colleague, and after sending the last part, you can write EOF, which means end of file. FAQ stands for frequently asked questions. If you are using an online service, for example a website, then they have a section of frequently asked questions. These are the type of the questions which many of the users ask, and to save time and effort, they just put the answers in that section. FB stands for Facebook. FTL stands for the loss. If someone has died, you can send a message to their loved ones and you can write I am sorry FTL, which means I am sorry for the loss. FTW means for the win. Usually it is used for online gaming. If someone has won a game, you can send a message grats or congrats FTW, which means many congratulations for the win. FYI stands for your information. If someone has an opinion and you have a conflicting opinion, you can say FYI, you are wrong. Or if you want to share some information with your friends, just for the sake of sharing information, you can say FYI, please read this news. For your information, please read this news. Gr8 stands for great. GTG means got to go. If you are online and you are chatting with someone and now you want to sign off, you can say GTG, which means I have to got to go because I have work to do. GTFO means get the f out, which means please leave this room. You are annoying us, leave this room. G9 stands for genius. I am G9. GBTW means get back to work. If you are chatting with your project team and you want to end the discussion or meeting, you can just write down GBTW, that now we are finished discussing, and get back to work. GF either means girlfriend or for online gaming it means good fight or great fight, and its answer is also GF. Another version of GF is GG, which is usually used for non-fighting games. At the end of the game, you just type GG and the other person also types GG, which means good game, you played good. GFU stands for good for you. If someone is telling you something and you are not interested in it, you can just write GFU, good for you. Grats means congratulations. If you want to congratulate someone, you can just simply type grats. GM means good morning. GM is a formal type of greeting in online English communication. GM boss, good morning boss. GM madam, good morning madam. GN means good night. If you want to say good night, you can simply type GN. Hand means have a nice day. H5 stands for high five. If someone has some good news, then you can just type H5, which means high five. Let's celebrate. HF means have fun. If someone is going on vacations, you can just type HF, enjoy your vacations. Have fun, enjoy your vacations, enjoy your holidays. IC stands for I see. ICQ stands for I seek you. If you haven't talked to your friend for a long time, you can just type ICQ, that, which means I am seeking you. I want to talk to you. I am trying to find you. IDC stands for I don't care. If you are not interested in something and your friend is telling something to you, you can just type IDC, I don't care. If someone asks you your opinion and you don't know about it, you can type IDK, which means I don't know. IG stands for Instagram. IIRC stands for If I Remember Correctly. IIRC, you owe me money, which means if I remember correctly, you owe me money. ILU stands for I love you. IM stands for Instant Messenger. When IM was really popular, Instant Messenger, then this was used for Instant Messenger, but now IM is usually used for online communication via WhatsApp, Facebook, or real-time communication. IMHO means in my humble opinion. If you want to give your opinion, you can just type IMHO, this is not a good idea. In my humble opinion, this is not a good idea. IMO stands for in my opinion, which is similar to IMHO, in my humble opinion. IRL means in real life. Usually when we are online, we treat it as a virtual life or a virtual world. During an online game, you can say to your opponent, IRL, you are a loser. In real life, you are a loser. J/K means just kidding. I was just joking. I was J/K. I was just kidding. Please do not take it seriously. KA stands for okay. KISS means keep it simple, stupid. When you want something to be simple and your colleague or friend is making it very complicated, you can just send him a KISS message, which means keep it simple, stupid. LDR means long distance relationship. If you are in a different country or a different city than your girlfriend or boyfriend, then you are in a LDR, which means you are in a long distance relationship. LMAO stands for laughing my ass off. If someone has sent you a joke and you have enjoyed it, you can just type LMAO, which means I am laughing my ass off. LMFAO is another version, which means laughing my F-king ass off. LOL also means laughing out loud. It is one of the most common abbreviations used for online communication. If someone has sent you a joke and you have really enjoyed it, you just type LOL, laughing out loud, ha ha ha. LTNS stands for long time no see. If you haven't met with someone for a long time, then you can just send a message LTNS. Where are you? Long time no see. Where are you? L8R means later. If you want to talk to someone later on, then you can just type later and sign off. M/F stands for male or female, which means the other party is asking you if you are a male or female. MSG stands for message. An example is MSG me, please. Please message me. MMS stands for Multimedia Message Service. It's a mobile term which was usually used when internet was not common on mobile phones. M8 stands for mate, which means friend, buddy, pal. N2S means needless to say. When you want to give an opinion, you can say needless to say and blah 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 blah. NE1 stands for anyone. If you join an online group or a chat room, or if you want to play a game and you just entered in a room, in an online room, you can ask anyone, which either means is anyone available to talk or to play. NP stands for no problem. If someone says thank you to you, you can just type NP, no problem. OIC means oh, I see. OP stands for original post or original poster. This abbreviation is used usually in online forums to refer to the source. For example, if you want to make a point and you have just copied and pasted someone else's message, then you at the end of that message you can write OP and the username. OS stands for operating system. For example, on mobile phones we have got Android operating system, Windows operating system, Apple operating system, and so on. OMG stands for oh my god. If someone tells you something and you don't agree with you, or if you are astonished, you can say OMG. OT stands for off topic. For example, if you are talking or if there is a discussion going on in a group and you want to just say something else, then you can say OT, I passed an exam. Off topic, I passed an exam. OTOH means on the other hand. You want to give some opinion to someone, you can say O2OH. We can also do it like this. OTT stands for over the top. Usually when someone gives you an offer that you can buy this thing for $100 and OTT, over the top, we give you €10 voucher or $10 voucher free, which means that over the top we are adding something on our offer. PLZ or PLS stands for please. For example, PLZ call me, please call me, please forgive me. POV stands for point of view. Someone may ask you, what's your POV? which means what's your point of view. PPL stands for people. For example, if you enter in a chat room, you can just type hey PPL, which means hello people. ROFL stands for rolling on floor laughing. If you have laughed very hard, then you just type ROFL, which means rolling on floor laughing. RIP means rest in peace. An example is may his soul RIP. If someone has died, you can just send a message to his loved ones, may his soul RIP. This is a condolence message. S2PID means stupid. SD means sweet dreams. When you are signing off at night, you can just type GNSD, which means good night, sweet dreams. SEC stands for second. An example is 1 sec please, 1 second please. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's a technique using which you can put your website on the top of the search engine when someone searches for specific keywords. SK8 means skate. An example is, are you interested in skating? SMH means shaking my head. If you feel annoyed or sad at someone's comment, you can just say SMN, which means I am shaking my head. SO stands for significant other, better half, or in more common terms, husband or wife. If someone says she is my SO, this means she is my wife. Someone stands for someone. An example is someone there? Usually we use it when we enter in a chat room or a group discussion or an online game room. SPOZ means suppose. SPOZ this, suppose this. SRY stands for sorry. I am SRY, which means I am sorry. SS stands for so sorry. I am SS. I am so sorry. Str8 means straight. Go straight. STFU means shut the F-K up, which means that you are very annoyed at another person and you want them to be quiet. SU means shut up. So if you want someone to be quiet, you can type SU. SYS means see you soon, that I will see you soon. And SIS stands for sister. SYSRSLY means seriously. If someone tells you a story, a very strange story, you can just type SYSRSLY question mark, seriously? Are you serious? SUP stands for what's up, which means someone is asking you what's going on. Its answer is nothing much, not much, or all kinds of crazy things. SYL stands for see you later. When you are signing off, you can just type SYL, that I will see you later. TBH stands for to be honest, which means in my honest opinion. TBH, you are wrong. To be honest, you are wrong. THO stands for though. An example is, though you are wrong, yet I will support you. THX stands for thanks. THX for watching this tutorial, which means thanks for watching this tutorial. TTYL stands for talk to you later. It is also used when you are signing off. You just type TTYL, which means talk to you later. TG means that's great or that's good. When you want to appreciate someone, you can just type TG, which means that's great, that's good. TGIF stands for Thanks God, it's Friday. TGIF, now I will enjoy my weekend. Thanks God, it's Friday, now I will enjoy my weekend. TOS stands for Terms of Service. Whenever you are using a product or an online app or an application or a website, then they have got a TOS section, which means Terms of Service section. Usually in TOS they give you what kind of services they are going to provide and under which conditions. TC means take care. TLDR stands for too long didn't read. If your friend sent you a long message and you didn't read it and now he or she wants an opinion on it, you can just type TLDR, which means too long, I didn't read it. I didn't read it. TMI stands for too much information. Like in this tutorial, you can comment TMI, which means too much information is given in this tutorial. TTYL, talk to you later. TY stands for thank you. TY for watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. U stands for you. An example is, you are too good to be forgotten. U for E means yours for Eve. WB stands for welcome back. If someone has rejoined the chat group or the gaming room, you can type WB, which means you are welcoming them back. WTF stands for what the F-K, which means that you are very annoyed at the other person's comments or behavior. WTH also means what the hell, and it is used for the same purpose as WTF. W8 means wait. An example is wait BRB, which means please wait, I will be right back. YMMV stands for your mileage may vary, which means your opinion may differ from my opinion. YMMV, but in my opinion, the world is round. Z means sleeping. When you are very sleepy, you can just type Z, or when you are bored, you can type Z, that it's a very boring and I am sleeping. Some other abbreviations are you, we, are, to, for. For example, you are too good. We are driving. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. Please give this tutorial a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another tutorial. Until then, TC, GN, bye.